Okay, so in this problem we are given an expression right here, and we're asked to figure out what this evaluates to. So before we get into this problem, let's understand some basics that will really help us solve this problem. This is a decimal right here, actually. So let's take this for example. I have a square root, and I have three a's in it, so I can basically write it like this: a cube. Now, since this is under a square root, what do I need, or how do I know what comes out of it? Well, it's a square root, so if I have a pair, like here in this case, I have two a's, so one of this will come out and one will remain inside. For example, if I have 4, I can write it like this: 2 by 2 under square root. So since it's a pair and it's a square root, 2 comes out. Okay, all right. And in this case we have a cube root, so that means if we have a 3 of a kind, then that comes out. So let's say I have for example 64. I know that this is 4 cube, right? So that is 4 by 4 by 4 under a cube root, and 4 comes out, right? One other way I can write it is like this: that 4 raised to power 3, and then the cube root is this, and 3 cancels out, and we get 4 back. So same answer in both situations. Two different way to visualize this or write it down. So now, having this in mind, let's get back to the problem here. So first of all, we need to figure out, now we know at least that we need 3 of a kind to come out of this cube root that we have right here. So as I already showed you, the 64 is if I cube 4, I get 64. So that's what I have right here, 64. So since this is a decimal, let's go on a hunch, and let's pick 0.04 and multiply and take basically a cube of that. So what does this equate to? 0.04 multiplied by 0.04 multiplied by 0.04. So when I do this part, I get 0.0016 into 0.04, and I get 64. You can also do it the old-fashioned way, like you used to do it probably in school, as I can say 0.4 multiplied by 0.4. I get 16, and I have 4 digits before these 2 decimals here, right? So I add 2 zeros here and I get 16, 0.0016 that is, and multiply that by the third 0.04, and I get 64. Now I have 6 digits to deal with before the decimal, so add 4 more here. Oh, look at what we got. Same value as what we were given in the question. So now I can go back and write this guy as this. $6.4. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, you know what? I'll rewrite that. So what I have is, in fact, let me go to the next page here, so there'll be more space. So rewriting that now as this. Point 0.04 multiplied by 0.04 multiplied by 0.04, and we got a 3 of a kind, so 0.04 comes out. So now this is a square root that we're dealing with, so now we need a 2 of a kind. So let's pick 2 by 2 is 4, so let's say multiply 0.2 by 0.2, I get 4. I need to have two values before the decimal, so I have 0.04. Voila, that's what we got here. So I can rewrite this as 0.2 multiplied by 0.2, and I get 0.2, and that would be answer choice E.